Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid in this 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To check the fluid for the brakes, we're going to look at this reservoir right here. There's a max line up here and a min line down here. You want the fluid somewhere in between there, preferably either halfway or a little bit higher. This one's about halfway, which is good. If you wanted to top off the fluid, you're going to take a rag, wipe off the cap, twist the cap to the left, pull it off. You don't want to contaminate any of the fluid. You don't want any dust in there. On the cap, it'll tell you what kind of fluid to use. This says .3 or .4 fluid. So you can top off your fluid with that and then reinstall the cap, line it up, twist it, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.